What's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C, and today we will be installing a braided wig over these thick locks. Right here, I'm using Like No Other Hydration. You already know that's what I use. But, y'all, I kept redoing these braids, well, twist downs over and over and over because I was like, maybe I can do two together. Maybe I could do three together. Y'all, that shit was coming out thick. Here I go showing y'all my beautiful curls, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. So right here, I just started sectioning my hair off. And I'm just going to do a twist down. Not a braid. It's a twist down. I don't know how to explain it. Just do it. And I honestly wish I could have got it flatter still. But we're going to redo them. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, right here, I just put this other wig on just to check the flatness. And I'm not gonna lie, compared to the ponytail that I usually put, it was way flatter. The only thing is, I was looking at this left side and it was a little bit thicker, so I went back in and made those braids a little bit smaller. The only thing that I really did wrong was I didn't make sure that I put just as much as I put on the front and the back. I thought I did. So like people that look closely can see like a slight difference in the lace color, but it still looks good. Still looks amazing. And when I pull it off, because I can pull it off and pull it on, all I can do is just go in and color it more. Come on now. Tell me something. Oh.
It's a little ashy in that.
Is it ashy? I'll pull it off.